Yin drives on and stops in front of the central hospital. He remains motionless for a while in the driver's seat. Outside the hospital, several people carry bouquets of white and yellow flowers. They put them down on the floor in front of the entrance and bow. In the middle of the flowers, there are photos of a doctor. Text on some bouquet cards: "Rest in peace, Dr. Wenliang Lu. We won't forget you."
Dr. Chen and Dr. Zhang said they know it's dangerous, but they're still fighting on the front line. I was really moved when I heard that.
The hospital told us later that on Lunar New Year's Eve, we had over 1,000 patients. It was so crowded in this hall. People squeezed inside like at a market. Patients waited 6 to 7 hours for a CT. Others waited 6 to 7 hours to get an IV.